Hello everyone, it is Royanna with Radiate with Royanna, and I am excited to have you come and I thought about saying get dressed with me, but it's really not get dressed. It's really accessorize with me. Yes, I only have one earring in. We're going to get to that, but this is just a very, very, very plain look on this sweater today. A sweater that was needed when I woke up to 33 degrees here in South Dakota. Holy moly, it was chilly. So we are early on in the month of October, and early on in the month, every single month from Park Lane, you have got the chance to get some happy mail right here. So Park Lane has got a subscription box, just like your pets do, just like your box comes, just like your Stitch Fix comes. Well, why not treat yourself or someone else to a monthly blingy surprise that ships for free on the first of every month? And we are talking designer inspired pieces at a very, very, very low cost to you. So this month's box is all about the roar because animal print, well, first of all, it's a neutral. You know, I always talk about that with my color analysis and body styling. Animal print is always a neutral, and it is very, very, very on trend this fall. Animal print is not going anywhere. And I know for some of you, it's a yuck, and for some of you, it's a yum. So let me know in the comments down below when we're talking animal print, whether that's leopard, cheetah, zebra print, snake skin, giraffe. Is it a yuck or a yum for you? Let me know. I want to hear down in the comments, and I want to introduce you to the first piece in the October Park Lane Sparkle Box. Look at this quatrefoil designed piece with the animal print in the middle, complete with a cubic zirconia. But oh, what interest is this right over here where there is another CZ, those are the cubic zirconias, on this dainty gold chain. And of course, all of the necklaces have got that 3-inch extender. And I always like to point out that you know it's from us on the necklace when it has got the Park Lane logo right here on the clasp as well. So I can put this on, we will in a moment, but what should I wear with this? You know, one of the things that I could do is really pull out the CZs in the necklace, and I could add one of my absolute pieces I do love to wear. You know, we talk about people wearing their heart on their sleeve. I do love to wear my faith out front as well. So I could add the sacred and have those stones also. We're kind of at that time of year where in October, when it's Reformation Sunday or close to All Saints Sunday, where a lot of confirmations can happen in churches. What a great gift that sacred piece would be. So if you like that look, drop some hearts down below, or if you need more info on the necklace sacred, let me know. I can take care of that also. Or we could go bold with the stone in the middle, and we could add our cushion cut veil necklace. And oh my golly gee, ladies, this is so gorgeous. It is on that very on trend paperclip chain right here. And of course, with that extender on the necklace, I would be bringing that up a little bit to the center. Let me go ahead and grab that and bring her up just a little closer to the back here. And of course, I do that just by using the extender or making it shorter. So what do you think about that look? Now, we have got a double V-neck going on here. And of course, when I work with my color and body style clients, we talk about their metals, number one, but we also talk about how, you know, for myself, I generally want a V-neck. This sweater obviously is a crew neck, but if I were to wear these two pieces together, I am creating that nice V-neck. So that will draw people's attention up towards the face and not down towards, you know, maybe some of the body parts that I don't necessarily want to accentuate. So this is called the veil. She is a cushion cut on a paper clip chain and drawing out the CZ there as well as over there. Let's take a look at something that might be just a little bit more, I'm going to say subdued, a little bit more neutral. And we're just going to go ahead and add a plain necklace to this and not necessarily have some of the CZs going on. This neck, I'm wearing this today. I am super duper excited about this. I've had it and I keep selling it out, and oh my golly. So take a look right here at the Declan. So you have got a shorter chain. This looks like sparkling, like confetti, like sequins. It is light as a feather, and personally with neck issues, having much weight on my neck does not feel great. I recently had an injection in my neck, and so the jury's still out on that. I think I'm getting better, but again, sometimes even a collar can bother me, and this is so super duper light. So it's a great value. When you get 2 or 3 pieces on a necklace in one, you can wear them alone or you can wear them together. So wearing it alone, I have the 2 chains on right here. If I were to take the smaller piece off and put her in the back, I would have a longer look like that. Or I could also just wear the shorter necklace, and then I could do away with the longer length chain and have a look like that. So let me know in the comments, which do you like more? Do you like the shorter Declan length? Do you like the longer length? Or do you think we should go for both of it? Because I don't know. I think today I might be wearing both. And it's possible I might even layer the sacred up in there in the top because, as I mentioned, I absolutely do love that piece. Or if I were to wear just, let me just go ahead and give you that look there, okay? So working with you live right here, girlies, okay? So this is what it would look like if I were to put the Declan kind of short up high. Let me step back so you can see that a little bit better. So a messy neck is on trend. It is popular. And again, we're getting different shapes here. We're drawing the attention up to the beautiful face of you, my ladies. And that's where we want people's attention to go for sure. So let's say I were to wear Roar and I wanted to do more of a longer look. And I am just absolutely loving this medallion from our Western Luxe edition. So with the sweater on today, there's a good chance I might be wearing this. And then another favorite, I literally sold it off my body on Saturday when I had some gals here for their color analysis appointment, is this hazy. She's available, it just looks like little nuggets of gold, girls. She's available in gold and in silver. She also has a bracelet version as well. We're gonna get to the bracelet in a second, okay? We're still stuck on the necklace, which is the beginning piece of the sparkle box, okay? It is an $80 value and it is $24. Just to get the necklace shipped, it is $24 with free shipping. Of course, there's tax, but that is anywhere. So what do you think about this look? The hazy, and then, of course, from our Western Luxe, this medallion right here. And then we have got the Roar necklace happening right there. Another option would be I could wear an even longer necklace, and I could add on, let me take off the medallion. I don't want to get too wild on y'all here. Let me take off the medallion. Isn't this fun? It's like playing dress up all the time. It's like one of the best jobs ever. Okay, and then I could, of course, add Eternal, this gorgeous key. She's got CZ. She's got a longer chain right there. So let me step back. And we also could be having this look on me as well. So the jury's out. I'll be posting a picture later when I head over to Girls Night Out over in Edgerton, Minnesota. I know I've been sharing that with you all. So let me have a chance to put on the Roar necklace for you here. Now tell me, while you're waiting for me to put this on, what are you most likely to put on when you are running out the door? Is it an earring set or is it a necklace? What are you most likely to put on when you are running out the door? I want to know what that is for you, okay? So I went ahead and I got her on, so she's hanging right here for now. I do have one earring on. I wanted to keep one off so that I could show it to you up close. Look at the gorgeousness. There is such a good view for you right there, ladies, okay? This is our classic hoop. It's a little bit large. It's not oversized. It's a little bit large. You've got the animal print, and then you have got the CZs right there, and it is a post. Remember, with Parkleen, you have an unconditional guarantee with our jewelry. So I like to say, for your lifetime, okay, if anything happens to it, and that includes even the dogs, you know, perhaps chewing it up, okay, they are going to take care of that for you. You can simply reach out to your stylist, and we would be happy to help you with that, but there is an unconditional guarantee. Now, you are getting designer pieces at a fraction of the cost. They are not 24 karat gold. They are 14 and 22 karat electrocuted gold. okay, or electroplated gold. And so it's not the solid gold, but again, when it's something that you might normally be paying $4,000 for, you might be paying $40. Or in the case of this designer inspired necklace here called Roar, this Roar set, okay, it's $24 for the necklace. If you just add on $15 more, you're also going to get the earrings in your sparkle box, okay? So we've got the necklace, then we've got a set of earrings. This is every single month. And again, if you're not an animal print gal, but you know someone who is, grab this now. It is predicted at 100% absolutely will sell out. So you want to get the Sparkle Box ordered right now. Comment Sparkle below. I don't need to know what level, but I can get you the link. Comment Sparkle below. I will get you the link to purchase this because what a fabulous gift. Can you imagine giving $240 worth of jewelry to someone for Christmas and only paying $59? Like, that is unbelievable. So let's get to the last piece. I went ahead and put her on a little pillow right here. Look at this gorgeous bracelet. Again, you've got the leopard and you have got the CZs all the way around. What's great about her is she is stretchy. So she's going to get on all of the wrists. Now, one of the necklaces I showed you was the hazy. So I could put a dainty next to that, right? I could put a dainty. Or I could go a little bit more bold. One of the pieces I am loving that I am going to wear today is the glow. This is our impression bracelet. Everybody wants to make an impression, and what a great way to do this. This is like having, oh my gosh, tennis bracelets. Well, first of all, they're so on trend. We have many, many, many colors available, but I'm pairing it with this bracelet because of the brown tint. She also has matching earrings. And so that is the glow impression bracelet. And it is like having 3-carat diamonds in a 4-prong setting going all around your wrist. Again, it also has got the extender to lengthen or shorten it. And then with that, I might add a little bit more bold bracelet called the Rika. Remember, we recommend doing odd numbers when you're working on your arm party. So odd numbers, so 3 is great. Another set I love is the black beads of the Denver. So in this case, I might go ahead and add 2 more pieces to this arm party right here. And I can then have a stack of 5. So let me know if you're putting on a bracelet, an odd number is 1. Are you more than likely going to be wearing 1 piece, 3 pieces, or 5 pieces? And again, you don't ever want to go crazy. Like if you're, it looks like I could fit a few more underneath here. If your arm party extends beyond your 4 fingers, that's a bit much, okay? I do have a 16-point accessory rule. If you are interested in that, just comment 16 down below. And it is a free guide from your ears down to your toes, including getting dressed, including having polished nails and toes. I would be happy to get that to you as well. So this is likely the arm party I'm going to be wearing today. So again, I have part of the Denver on. I have the Rika in gold. She's also available in silver, but I wouldn't mix her with this. I've got the impression bracelet in gold, which I'm loving for fall. I had to get it. And then, of course, I have got the Roar bracelet right here with the leopard print and then the CZ. So again, we are talking starting out with a fun box each month, Sparkle Box. This month is called Roar, all the animal print. And we have got the necklace for just $24. It is an $80 piece that is designer inspired. Then we add the earrings, okay? So for $15 more, you add the earrings, you're at $39. This month, they are a larger hoop on a straight back. And then also for just $20 more, complete the ensemble with the necklace, which comes first, the earrings that comes second, and of course the bracelet. And Park Lane is so wonderful. You can mix and match with any jewelry you always own. It doesn't all have to come from Park Lane. You know, unlike if you feel like you're on, you know, a particular nutrition program or supplement program, you feel like to be pure, you need to do only that. That's what I love about Park Lane is I wear it, mix it, and match it with all of the things I already have. I just happen to be showing you some other options from Park Lane today. So consider the Sparkle Box if you don't get it. If not for you, then as a gift for someone, it can be the gift that keeps on getting. Ladies, let me know if there's someone I can text and be your secret Santa if you would love this subscription. For like my husband for Christmas last year, he got me unlimited car washes. Unlimited car washes. I love it. I can drive through there as many times as I want, okay, and have my car clean. Why not have something you can wear regularly throughout the month? And again, if you don't love it that month, tuck it away. You always need a gift. It's great to have a gift on hand, and you wouldn't have to give all 3 pieces If you subscribe to the Elite box, you wouldn't have to give away all 3 pieces. You can break it down and have 3 gifts. Nobody's going to know. That would be like a $20 gift, and they're getting an $80 piece of jewelry. So that's a lot of girl math. I'm always here to help you get your best value, to make your best discounts and get your cart created for you. Let me know if you would like help with any of that, or comment Sparkle if you want to get yours on the way to you today. And remember, it is free shipping, which is fabulous in today's day and age. Thanks for watching. Go radiate, be wonderful, and let's get ready to have a midlife glow up, girls. Bye-bye.